Royal Enfield is continuing development of its all-electric adventure tourer, the Himi, with the latest test mule recently spotted tackling the rugged terrain of Ladakh. The prototype appears to be the same model that debuted at EICMA last year, signaling a consistent and steady approach toward production. One of the major highlights is the 13.3 kilowatt-hour battery pack that powers the Himi. This large-capacity battery is expected to deliver a real-world range of 150 to 200 kilometers. Performance-wise, the Himi is capable of reaching a top speed of 165 kilometers per hour. Royal Enfield seems to be putting the battery to the test in high-altitude environments to ensure reliable performance and minimal power drop in extreme conditions. The Himi retains its Flying Flea-inspired fin battery pack design, likely to help with cooling and thermal efficiency, a sign that this feature is heading to production. The bike's adventure-ready hardware includes gold-tinted Öhlins adjustable rear monoshock, fully adjustable upside-down front forks, and knobby Bridgestone Batlax Adventure Cross tires mounted on 21-inch front and 17-inch rear spoked wheels. Other ADV-ready components include off-road foot pegs, a tall windshield, a high-mounted rally-style digital dashboard, and a LED headlamp setup. As expected, the Himi will be heavier than the Himalayan 450, with Royal Enfield confirming a curb weight of 202 kilograms. While this electric adventure tourer is clearly shaping up well, it's still a few years away from hitting the showroom floors. In short, the Himi is shaping up to be a serious electric adventure motorcycle, purpose-built, thoroughly tested, and designed with long-term capability in mind.